Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a structured weekly plan that commits to 5-10 hours per week over 12 weeks to build medical English foundations. Break each week into focus sessions, vocabulary drills, clinical reading, and spoken practice, with 3 sessions per day when possible. Set measurable goals such as learning 200 high-frequency medical terms, reading 50 patient notes, and completing 10 simulated interviews to track progress, and adapt the plan based on weekly outcomes. Focus on skill-specific practice with concrete time targets. Practice 30 minutes daily of focused vocabulary using spaced repetition flashcards that cover 200 core terms. Read 3 clinical case reports weekly, then write and speak 1-paragraph summaries to consolidate comprehension and accurate terminology usage. Schedule at least one 90-minute simulated shift per week to practice listening to patient histories, giving instructions, and using appropriate registers in realistic clinical dialogues. Choose 3 complementary resource types: concise textbooks for terminology, audio podcasts for pronunciation and rhythm, and supervised clinical shadowing for real-world application. Aim to listen to about 1 hour per day of medical podcasts or recorded patient interviews to internalize cadence and common phrases. Arrange supervised shadowing for roughly 8 shifts where you take histories, confirm understanding using teachback, and receive corrective feedback to accelerate transfer from study to workplace communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.